Hey, what's going on, you guys? I know the lighting isn't the best here. I'm actually in my car. Wife's out shopping. And man, it's a blizzard outside. If you look out here, you guys probably really can't see it, but it's pretty much getting close to a blizzard. Maybe not quite there, but it's snowing like crazy. Anyways, in this video, I want to talk about my recent success. You guys have seen my past videos, most likely, here on YouTube. Been showing you guys a brand new campaign that I started from scratch, and it's been over, I think, 36 days now, and we've been averaging about $1,000 a day for the past 36 days. And so what I want to do in this video is tell you, kind of explain to you and show you how I did that as much as possible without being in front of a computer, of course. So the idea when you go and you implement a brand new campaign, what you want to do with that campaign is you want to demonstrate its effectiveness. You want to show people that it's working. You want to, obviously I say this, become a testimonial of the product. Not only become a testimonial, but show the transformation. And when you show transformation, you undoubtedly show that the product in fact works. And so it eliminates a lot of the limiting beliefs that people may have about the product, a lot of the questions, a lot of the possible objections that they may have, and it helps them make a buying decision a lot faster. So the psychology behind it, if you were to go, okay, day one, I'm going to show people maybe a little tidbit of information that I learned from the product, the program that I'm going through, and what my plan is to implement the teachings from that program. So you kind of have like a little intro video that would set the stage, and then you would have videos showing the progression, showing the results that you're getting from the specific program. And what'll happen is you'll have people that see the transformation. They'll come back to like your YouTube channel and they'll see the transformation that you had, and they'll join too. And that's exactly what happened with this recent campaign that I ran, is I not only demonstrated that it worked, but people were able to see proof right before their eyes. And it wasn't just like one screenshot of income proof or one video, but progressively I was able to show them, okay, here's $500 in my account. The next day, here's $800, and then $1,000 and $2,000, and so on and so forth. And so because of that, not only have I built a relationship with people that were part of like my cold market, but I've also showed them the product that I'm promoting in fact does work. So if you just focus on demonstrating that your product works and show people raw, real results, show them the transformation from start to finish, you now have a piece of marketing material that most people don't have. You see, most people are just going out there and telling you that something works through theory, but they're not demonstrating its effectiveness, and they're not demonstrating that it works. So if you do that, my friend, you will reach the top of leaderboards. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you will sell more of your own products and services. And so with that said, I hope you got value from this short but concise video. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how to create campaigns like this, feel free to join my team. You can check out the #1 recommendation for making money online below. And when you join that, you'll be a part of my personal team, and you'll get access to a lot of cool extra training and goodies that will help you get to the next level of your life and business. This is Josh signing off, and we'll see you guys from the car. We'll see you guys in the next video.